Hello, today you're looking at a lot of 10 Singleton stainless steel plating barrels brought to you by Lanco. Inside dimensions, 26-inch diameter by 40 inches long. All of them have a half-inch perforation, and each barrel weighs roughly 1,000 pounds. There are 10 of them right now. They all have the Polypro gears and a self-closing door. Overall dimension 75 inches long by 32 inches wide by 63 inches high. Some may be missing parts and pieces. I see the two down here on the right are missing the overhead structure component. But as of right now, we have 10. And if you hurry, you can buy them all. And if you don't hurry, you might have one or two available. Please contact Lanco if you are interested, 616-887-8300, or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.